before you scroll, let's talk about the indices. So we have 5 raised to power 2 x raised to power 2 minus 18 equal to 1. Of course, we remember that from our law of indices that anything raised to the power of 0 is going to be what? Is going to be 1. So in that case, let's apply that particular law here. So it can be 5 raised to power 0. So we can have it as 5 raised to power 2 x raised to power 2 minus 18 equal to 5 raised to power 0. So what we have there is that we have the bases to be equal, and according to law of indices again, once we have the same base, we equate the index. So this simply means 2x squared minus 18 equal to 0. You've equated their index or their indices. So what you have next is 2x squared equal to 18. Because this 18 will move over to the next side, or you just add 18 to both sides. Alright, so we can now divide this by 2. If we divide this by 2, of course you can guess, this cancels out. You have x squared left to be equal to 9. Of course, again, we take square root of both sides. So if you take square root of both sides, you have taken square root of, you have x, because this square will cancel the square root, and you have this to be equal to plus or minus 3. Alright, so it's going to be plus or minus 3. So plus or minus 3 being the answer here can satisfy this condition at any given point in time. And that's all I have for you today. We'll continue on the Pediatutors for Pediatutors.